Hey, Drop Tech fans! Big news today. Our first real look at the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4 is finally here. After months of leaks, rumors, and speculation, we now have a hands-on image that gives us a clear idea of what Apple's next budget-friendly phone will look like. And trust me, there are some surprises you won't want to miss. So, let's dive in. If you love staying updated on the latest gadgets, leaks, and tech news, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Now, let's talk about the iPhone SE 4 and what this new image reveals. The first thing that catches the eye? The sleek black color. It's one of the official color options at launch, and it looks stunning. But the biggest reveal is right on the front. Yes, it has a notch. That's right. Apple is moving away from the traditional thick bezels and adopting a design language similar to the iPhone 14. This means a more modern, immersive display experience for SE users. Turning the phone around, we notice an important refinement. The camera bump sits more flush with the back panel compared to earlier dummy units. This subtle tweak gives the phone a cleaner and more premium look. One of the biggest mysteries has been whether Apple would bring the action button to the SE 4. Well, this image confirms it. Just like the iPhone 15 Pro models, the SE 4 is getting the action button, which could change the way users interact with their devices. From quick shortcuts to custom actions, this feature is a major upgrade. Another exciting confirmation from this leak? Wireless charging support. The image shows the phone inside a clear case, which indirectly confirms this much-anticipated feature. This makes the SE 4 even more future-proof and a great option for iPhone users who want modern features at a budget price. Size-wise, leaks suggest the SE 4 might be slightly smaller than the upcoming iPhone 16. It's also expected to feature a single camera setup on the back, keeping it simple yet efficient. Now, let's talk power. Rumors suggest the SE 4 will pack an A18 chip with 8GB of RAM, making it as powerful as the iPhone 16. That's a huge performance jump for the SE lineup, potentially bringing more advanced AI features and future-proofing it for years to come. However, with this power boost, we might also see a slight price increase. And here's something even more interesting. The SE 4 could be the first iPhone to debut Apple's in-house 5G modem. If Apple's modem performs as expected, we might see it in the iPhone 17 lineup as well. This would be a major step toward Apple becoming more self-reliant in hardware development. Of course, with all these new upgrades, the price might go up slightly compared to previous SE models. But even so, the SE 4 is expected to remain one of the most affordable ways to enter the iOS ecosystem. If you're thinking about buying the current SE model, now might be the time. Stock is running low worldwide, which likely means Apple is getting ready to introduce the SE 4 soon. So, what do you think about the new iPhone SE 4? Are you excited about the modern redesign and new features, or do you miss the classic Touch ID style? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.